Scar 15 VM Vexes on the 4500 Scar Ornament.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Come in. Woo! On the 4500. Wow. Oh man.
Yeah, you good?
Yes, sir. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
All right. My name is Sedrick. We running 2 Scar 15 VM Vexes on the 4500 Scar RMS. Got a power acoustic 2000 watt on the doors and the horns outside.
All right. That box is really squeezed in there.
Yeah, it is. The box built at 31 hertz, but the lows in the hit, we got it to 20 right now.
Okay. Have you ever tried inverting them the other way, or mounting the box towards the cabin? Or
No, we haven't tried that.
You haven't tried that yet? Okay.
Like, we just built that box.
Just got it done. Awesome. Okay, got it ready for the show. Thank you. Nice to meet you, man. What was your name again? Sedrick. All right, man. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the walk around we just got of Sedrick's trunk system. His car Malibu trunk is literally tearing apart from the amount of subflex. I'm surprised it didn't break. So if you hadn't already, give him a like. This is at the Savannah Showcase Showdown in 2021 of Jacksonville, Florida. Finally getting to upload it. Go ahead and comment. Let Sedrick know what you think about his system. Say some positive things. I definitely like the layout of where his seats are down to get the most output in the cabin. Lets the trunk breathe, as well as the way he has the amps actually mounted on the seat instead of in the back of the box, so that way there's less vibration issues. So I was trying to see if you had any additional batteries besides that one big AGM to the left of the box, but I didn't see any others. I'm assuming he has an upgraded alternator, but I didn't get that information for the video. But definitely a powerful 4500 watt amplifier pushing these two 15-inch subs to tear up this Malibu. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo, but before that, question of the day. Do you put your subwoofers facing the trunk or facing into the cabin? I personally think the way he has this set up is probably most optimal for a daily driver system, to where when he wants to, he can put his seats down and he still has his back seats to put up whenever he has people in the back. So anyway, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and enjoy this demo.
All right, appreciate it.
Yes, sir. On a 4500. Wow. Oh man. I appreciate the demo, man.
You're welcome, man. You good?
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you, man. What was your name again?
Sedrick.
Sedrick. All right, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.